Hold him up. Hold him up, he said.
Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, my friends. Hey, we chillin' with the BUDDA gang.
What's good, peeps? It's your boy, BUDDA Slim, back again with another one of them things. Alright, so check it out. If you guys new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to let you guys know all the latest and newest content. We constantly on the ground, baby. Without further ado, we got another one from Alibata featuring Ari Lasso. I don't really know how to say the name of this, but I'm gonna try it anyways, peeps. Mengejar matahari. As good as you're gonna get, peeps. Alright, don't forget we got our Patreon over there. Hey, we got the Patreon over there, people, and the tiers are different, you know what I'm saying? Every little bit helps, peeps, the channel, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep on getting grinding. 2021, this is our year, baby. Let's get into this one.
Yapa.
Yapa! Hold on. Oh, it's the yapa! We've been on this Alibata, rabbit hole for a while already, and what I've been learning about Mas Alibata is he puts his heart and soul in every freaking thing he does, whether it's singing, whether it's the guitar, the flute. I mean, his emotions, his love, everything. You can see it in him. And then look at this. They're just at the house, and he's singing. They're just having a nice gathering, drinking some coffee, and just singing away, and he's just playing. That's what I love about this man. He's so humble. Sounds so good, and he's using, like, it's not even a real microphone, and his voice sounds like that. Oh my Alibata, let me tell you something. Hands down is the best acoustic guitar player I've ever seen in my life. Guitar players here, acoustic guitar players, Mas Alibata right here. No comparison. there, beautiful one right there. Take two. Woo! Alright, until next time, people on Buddha's living them out light.